Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I created this simple nude look. If you'd like to see that, keep watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Alright, let's get to it. Here I'm just outlining my brows and filling them in. They're not perfect, but it's not a problem. You can always fix whatever mistakes you make with concealer. So it's been a while since I made this video and I don't actually remember what concealer I used, but if I had to guess, I would say it's the LA Girl in the shade Fawn. Next I'm using my NARS concealer in the shade Truffle to clean up the top of my brows. Now I'm using my ABH brow gel to just put a hold on my brow so that the hairs don't move around while I do the rest of my makeup. Next up, I applied my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White Pearl all over my lids, and I'm just setting it with a Color Mate powder that I got from Dollar Tree. Next I'm going in with my Urban Decay Ultimate Basic Palette, and I'm using the shade Extra Bitter. I'm putting that all over my lid. I did make the shade more concentrated towards the outer corner of my lid, and then I went ahead to blend it in. Next I'm using the shade Lethal from the same palette and just repeating that same process. The shade I'm using now is from my NYX Ultimate Basics palette as well. No, actually NYX Ultimate palette. But not to worry guys, whatever product I do not show in the video, I'm gonna have listed in the description box below. So I really like the shimmer shade, but I wanted something a little more matte, so I went into my White Peach palette by Too Faced and added the shade Creme de la Peach. Even though it has a little bit of glitter, it's still a very matte shade. So I just went ahead and added that to the middle of my lid to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Also added a little bit of the Peaches and Dreams shade just to brighten up my lids more. So I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and now I'm just applying the Tarte Base Tape Hydration Primer all over my face. This is one primer I actually really like because it's hydrating, so it does not make my skin feel like it's drying out at all. So I'm using this Cover FX Power Play foundation that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, and this is actually my first time using a product from this brand. The foundation is a lot lighter than my skin tone, but I'm actually just going to use it anyway and try to make it work. Work. When I actually decided to use that foundation anyway, I didn't realize that it was going to be as pigmented. It was gonna have as much coverage as this. So yeah, that happened. I kept trying to salvage the situation. The makeup, it just kept going sideways, I guess, from that whole foundation thing. But I tried to salvage it as much as possible. The makeup was still, at the end of the day, it was a kind of calm down. You'll see at the end that it all seems very harsh, but after about an hour or two of having it on my face, everything just kind of blended in properly. So at least that wasn't bad, but I'm gonna be more conscious next time of that foundation because I don't want it to go to waste. I know it's not my shade, but then I have it, so I don't want it to go to waste, so I just gotta find a use for it. Now I'm contouring with the Black Opal liquid foundation in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to set that foundation with the Morphe bronzer in the shade Romance. Blending out the Cover FX foundation was still a little difficult, so the contouring helped a little bit, but I still went in with my beauty blender all over my face and tried to just blend everything in properly, because the makeup still looked a little less flawless than I would have preferred. Here I'm just trying to fix all the problems with powder. I'm using different shades of powder at once for different areas, trying to make everything all color match. And next I'm using this MAC spray. That helped a lot as well. So for lipstick, first I use the Italia lip liner. You can get those off of Amazon. It's a 12 pack. Then I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Then the Tarteist Matte Lipstick. And then I followed that with the Estee Lip Icing. After all of that, I used my Urban Decay setting spray again. And that also helped make the makeup kind of settle into my skin properly. I recorded this video about 4 or 5 months ago, but I decided to post it anyway because I feel like it's going to be a learning experience for me if I actually have it up there on YouTube, and I can always go back to it and see what I did wrong and all of that. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I have a new video. Stay beautiful.